So this is the diesel engine with the cover off. This is the actual motor, and this is the fuel tank. Now what I found is these sheet metal shelves, they have sharp edges, and it's my theory that this wire, it's cut under there and it's been rubbing against this when it's going, and it's shorted it out. And by shorting it out, I think it's blown the motherboard. I've took the motherboard out. To do that we have to take this out. Well, I'll show you. I get the wires out of there first, and then I'm going to put a safety edge on that one where the wires go. Now we can get the motor out. There's some screws underneath which I've already undone. Once we've got the motor out, all there is to it and there you see the motor. So I've took the motherboard out there, because what the motherboard does is it sends juice to the heating, to the fan and the ignition, and it's complicated but it's a simple thing. So that's your ignition, that's a sensor that turns it off when it's hot. It's pretty basic really, and in my opinion this is blown. We'll only find that out on Thursday or Friday when the new board comes. Right, till then I'm going to get some insulation, like this cable insulation, and with it make a safety edge so that it won't happen again. It's basically something manufactured cheap on a punch. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll do it to that as well. There's nothing going through that one, but there might be one day. I'll just leave that in position and I'll get back to you later in the week.